to clean the area that you're going to put it on. And make sure you get it really dry. After drying it, you're gonna measure. So here I want this one to be a little shorter. So you just slide that out and pull on it. And then you'll be able to adjust it. So you need to adjust it to whatever length you want it. So I think right about there is a good length. And then you can slide that back on and lock it into place. Okay, and now that we're ready, I'm going to take off the back to reveal the tape. Okay, and press. Alright. Now you want to keep this on for about 24 hours before, you know, you really get into it, but how you open it is you just slide this up and there you go. And then that way you can open up the drawer. And you just slide it again and push it back on. It's good to go.